Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to unbox some items that I ordered in Shopee. But before we're going to start with this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and kindly like and share it with your friends, and please click the notification bell to get updated with my latest videos. And please do not forget to comment down below if you have any suggestions or if you have something to feature on my blog. Okay, so first, anyway, I ordered these items last November 11 and I got it a week after. So I decided to order or purchase the sports camera. This is a waterproof. So it says here, the super wide angle lens is 140 degrees, and this is a waterproof up to 30 meters, and this is 1.5 to 2.0 inch LCD, and it also says here it's 1080p, and it is a multi-language, and the storage is micro SDHC card, but the SD card is not included, so I need to purchase the SD card. And it is the input and output is the micro USB, so you can use the adapter or the charger to charge your phone. So let's see if it works. So when I got this box, it's almost likely open. So these are some stuff inside this box. So let's see the camera itself, which is there is case now. Okay, so let's see if it works. So this is the power button. Here you go. This is the power button, and I'm going to press it. It's working now. Here, here. So let's see how I can open this case. So there's an arrow here. So let's try to open it. So just press it hard. Okay. So guys, I just opened the case. So I had a hard time to open it, but anyway, it's here now. So I'm gonna take it off from the case, and here guys. So this is the lens, and this is the screen, small screen, which is about 1.5 to 2-inch LCD. Alright, so again, this is the power button. Alright. So here you go. Guys, the memory card or the SD card is not included in this package. Okay, so what we have here is the charger. Okay. And there is, I don't know what they call this one. This is a looks like a belt. Yeah, and this is there are some screws. I don't know how to set up this stuff. Okay. So let's try to set this up. So you have to tighten this up, and okay, that's it. Another one. And there's another screw. Maybe here. You have to put it on the center. And there is a nut. So you can lock this one. I don't know what is used. I think this is the camera. This is the camera holder, where you can set your phone here or the camera. So I'm gonna open it. So here we go. This one. Let's try it. Oh, like this one. I got it. So where are we supposed to put it? So there's a lot of stuff. guys. So where's the other one? There's no screw here. Look. So no more screw. Anyway, I couldn't see the screw that you're gonna attach here. I've been looking for it everywhere, but I couldn't see any screw. There we go. Yeah. So let's try to open it. One more. So what do you think is the quality of the picture? So here we go. So that's me. So that's it, guys. We purchased this item for only 305 or 310 pesos. But as you can see, the camera is not that good. So it looks like that you are using the old phone. But here we go. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you like this video. And I would like also to thank to the people whom I met somewhere down the road every time I film my video. So thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. Okay, and that's it for today. Bye.